this guy started and it went and attached to a slave, right? Went and attached to a slave, right? So now this guy is asking, oh, I want to change my password. He is typing a command called password. Or he is typing a command called YP password. Any one of these commands is typing to change his password, right? So this request will go where? This request will go to the server only, to the master only. And who is going to help him? These guys will help him. Those daemons must be running. So those daemons are running in the what? In the master. Are they running in the slave?
No.
They are not running in the slave. They are not running in the slave. You don't have to run in the slave. So that's why logical, right? They don't have to run in the slave because they don't update password. And also I said in this example, the entire network is brand new. So I just created the maps by copying my local etc files into this directory YYP. But we assume I have many computers, they already have different users there. I have created Tom and Tim, I have created Tom and Jerry here, I created Tim here and Horton here, right? A lot of people are there, right? So now I am going to create my map. So how will I do? It's already 3 years old network. So I wanted to make sure that all the users are not lost and all the configurations I have made all over the place is not lost. So what do I do now? Based on your Linux, Unix knowledge, give me the answer. Or any other knowledge, you can give your answer.
What's the
You don't
question?
have to have Unix, Unix knowledge for this. Huh?
What's the question?
The network is not new, it's old. The users are already there. So how will if I copy from my computer and create YYP, I will lose all these users. Their information and the etc configuration I did there, all will be lost. So what is the solution? You don't need computer knowledge for that, it's just logic.
Copy to the master.
Copy what?
Copy to the master.
No, I can't just directly copy to that, it's not correct, right? How can I just copy? Then there will be duplicate records. Because I said Tom and Jerry, Tom and Tim is here, Tom and Jerry is here, Tim and Cotton is here, Tom is in many places, Tim is in many places, so you will have duplicate Tim there, right?
Sorting.
So then after that, remove the duplicate and all those things we have to do.
Oh,
So, yeah, of course, right? Yeah. We have to bring all the files and make one file.
one file sorted.
So we had to take the password file, each file you have to do that. So for example, password file we are doing. Bring the password file from here, bring the password file here and create a brand new file called password 10 or something, give a name, right? But each file I have to do, copy and create one file. And then I have to sort it. And then I have to remove the duplicates
But,
by typing a
Don,
command
doesn't
called
make
Unix.
sense.
Unix will remove the duplicates. Okay?
Don, this doesn't make sense. Because
Why?
You're saying duplicate records may be
Yeah.
present on different servers, right? For
Yeah.
one person. But then the password is also different for each, so how would you?
Password means I'm talking about password information. Tom, Tim, Tom is a name, Tom's
But
user
not the
ID.
password itself.
No, not shadow
Yeah,
file.
because-
I didn't put the shadow file here. Did you see?
Okay.
Shadow file I will put.
Yeah, because.
We are not talking about shadow here. But it will be automatically done. Okay?
But still, the shadow, how will it then be done?
It will be automatically done.
Because
We'll
you
talk
can-
about that.
you
Yeah.
know.
Question.
Pardon?
So remove the duplicate, you mean delete the local?
Yeah, if I have Tom twice, I have to remove the duplicate, right? Otherwise there will be two Tom, right?
So that means that the local machine there is no password file.
No. The local machines have password file, right? So all the local machines password file, with that, I will assemble a brand new password file called password 20 or something. In that password 20, I have to remove all the duplicates. Otherwise, same Tom will be there twice. Then after removing the duplicates, then I copy in YYP, then I use it for maybe making the map.
But then again, it's.
There will be a new password file.
Yeah, yeah.
So one.
All gone. We don't want to use it.
It's okay, it's a little bit confusing. For instance, the DOM there is a DOM, but the DOM there is different, the two DOMs are different. How do you?
No, terms are same.
DOMs
In
are
this scenario, I'm assuming both the terms are same. In a company, only one term,
Yeah.
right? Tom means, I can say Tom,
Okay, that makes
P,
sense.
Tom P like that. We use it like that, you know, the same term.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, in the company, there will be only one user. They won't have,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, they won't do that, right?
Oh, yes.
So, you understood? The scenario is little more complicated, not complicated. It will take another few seconds more, right? Or not, that will take minutes maybe, right? Because you have to copy from all the computers, right? Right, that takes minutes. But if you are setting up brand new, it takes few minutes, right? So these daemons will start. Okay? And YP bind is a client-side daemon, you know that, right? I think you need small break, I think, right?
What's the purpose of bind, bind?
YP bind is to attach to the server and bind to the server. I told you when this guy starts, it will go and bind to a server. For that, it needs YP bind. Just hugging to the server, that's all, right? So since you look very tired, we'll take a small break, right? Yeah. Okay, so we'll talk about how to set up a master now, right? To set up a master, we have to create domain name. That is the first one. Domain name for the domain you are going to create. So what is the command to create a domain name? Immediately, instantly,
NIS domain name.
just domain name. Just domain name will create a domain name, right? By instantly. So I type a command called domain name space uwinpro. This is temporary. How will I make it permanent?
I think the default.
Update.
So I will update that file. Where's the file? Yeah. Update. etc. Your spelling should be correct. Otherwise you will think that it is already done and next time when you shut down you will have problem. Default domain.